face ng time na nagalit din ako. Pero never, by God's grace, never naman directed at God.
Nakatakdang bumiyahe si Jaja Padilla para patingnan ang tumubo sa kanyang kidney kasama ang kaibigang si Dr. Vicky Bello.
Siya, so parang kayong sisters, no? You're together, you're traveling together tomorrow. Para saan yun, Vicky, muna?
Ako, no, kasi we were talking kami ni Jaja. When was that? Last week?
2 weeks ago, I
2
think,
weeks
yeah.
ago. Tapos sinabi niya, kakagaling lang niya sa doktor, may problema daw siya sa kidney. May nakitang parang kasing laki ng ping-pong ball.
Palaki?
Na polyp, yeah.
Polyp, pero hindi sila sigurado kasi ang problema sa babae to, she looks so perfect, pero meron siyang scoliosis, so meron siyang mga steel rods sa likod niya. Yung PET scan, hindi makapenetrate, hindi nakikita mabuti.
Pero ilang beses naman kami nag-ultrasound for that.
And it's been
It still
okay.
shows. No, it shows na meron talaga. Oh.
Matagal mo nang nararamdaman.
Actually, May, I had pain. But
May lang.
May of this year, so I had an ultrasound and then it was repeated June, July, same findings.
Pero congenital ba yung kidney problem mo?
I was born, if you remember, in 2007, I had surgery to correct defective left ureter that is an inborn problem. Tapos, tinaper yun dahil lumaki the size of a sausage daw. Tapos, nire-insert sa bladder ko. Ang nangyari nun kasi, distended yung kidney ko. Ano ba sa Tagalog distended? Parang maga siya. Namamaga.
Yung medical term.
Kaliwa.
Parang meron distended. Kasi
Distended,
lang,
oo.
so hindi na barado.
Barado,
So yung
oo.
likod niya,
Kaliwa ito,
Yung kaliwa niya.
Kaliwang kidney ko.
Tapos ngayon, meron pa nakitang parang ping-pong ball dun sa loob. We just want to make sure second
Malaki
opinion
kasi hindi may
lang.
kidney, maliliit lang yun, no? Kung kasing laki ng
maliit
ping-pong
nga,
ball yun.
oo. Pero kung nakabara, lalaki siya. Nagsiswell siya.
Okay. So, Vicky, ikaw ba nag-sponsor ng
Check up,
nag-check up ni Shasha?
Check up lang.
Check up lang
Ba't yung palubos-lubusin?
Gusto.
Huwag naman, sabi ko, she's my angel. Ayoko naman nakakahiya, you know. Hindi, kasi a lot of people have helped us and she's also helped us with Dolphy's condition from last year. Ang dami-dami naming angels. Ngayon nag-angel na naman siya for my check-up. So sabi ko, if I really do need surgery, I can go back home naman. Kasi I just want a second opinion. I'm gonna seek a second opinion from Dolphy's urologist din naman ito is Dr. Fuchs.
And also because I'm a doctor, let's remember, sabi ko siya, I want to be with you. Kasi iba yung layperson ka, pumunta sa doktor, iba pag may kasama kang doktor. Diba, at least nakakatanong mo.
Hindi pa man ganap na nakakabangon si Jaja sa pagyao ni Dolphy. Heto't may iniinda pa siyang karamdaman.
Gano'ng kahirap sa'yo yun, emotionally, physically, at sa mga anak mo itong pinagdadaanan?
Actually, yung mga first few days lang na nalaman ko talagang, actually, nung sinabi sa ng doktor, medyo nahilo ko, pero alam mo, parang typical Pinoy, natawa ko. Parang sabi ko, ano ba?
Niloloko mo ako.
Hindi, I didn't even question
sorry,
God
diba?
kasi parang sabi ko lang, oo nga naman, bakit nga naman hindi ako pwedeng magkasakit? Bakit ganun kagad ang thinking ko, hindi yung why me, magagalit ka. I think meron ding face ng time na nagalit din ako. Pero never, by God's grace, never naman directed at God.
Alam ba ito siya, sino na Eric, yung mga anak mo?
Oo, syempre, they're also very, very concerned. Kasi when nandun pa kami sa hospital noon, kasi June, nag-check up na ako nung nakapasok namin in July. Sinasabi ko sa kanila may polyp, pero I had no idea what the size was. Kasi sabi ko, doktora, nasa CM kasi.
Alam ni Dolphy.
Hindi ko na sinabi sa kanya. Marami na kaming, syempre, ayaw na namin siya mag-alala pa.
Yung sakit mo ba, discuss mo with your children? Kasi with Vicky, you're so open dahil she's a doctor, she's a confidant.
You know what? Yes, of course.
And,
yeah. Oo. They didn't know everything.
Anong reaction nila?
Parang nahirapan i-absorb si Karil.
Karil?
Oo. Kasi kawi-witness lang yun kay Dolphy eh. And she was also very badly affected by that. And then parang, oh my God, syempre siguro naisip niya ng, what if I lose my mother? Di ba? What if I lose a parent? Oo, parang ganun, ano. Actually, when I discussed it with her over the phone, yes, ganun siya, ganun. Sabi ko, why do you keep saying that, Kay? Because I don't know what to say. And then biglang umiyak. Umiyak siya talaga. I think it really hit her. na, oh my God, she could really be sick. Kasi pag sinabi mong operahan ako, hindi naman bago yan sa pamilya ko.
Na-opera ka na, scoliosis.
Scoliosis, ganyan kalaki yung tahi ko, sumunod, ganyan ang kalaki sa front
Nurse mo
naman.
si Dolphy.
Ha?
Di ba, sabi mo si ang nurse mo si
Oo,
Dolphy.
and also
na
my
very
mom.
good for
Actually,
you.
si Dolphy, tuwing operahan ako or manganganak, he would go to the hospital but he would never stay with me. Hindi niya kaya eh.
Sa hospital.
Hindi ko alam, hindi niya talaga kaya magbantay. Kahit minsan magtatampo ko sa kanya, pero sabi ko, sige, kasi hindi naman ako kasi yung bait mong bilang pasyente. My mom, sabi ko, really has unconditional love for me. So yung mama ko palagi nagbabantay.
Of course, aside
Of
from...
course, is always there, yeah.